My name is Bindya Benson, and first of all, I would really love to say that I'm very satisfied that I have been placed at EY, as my first job. I would say that Elan's placement drive really helped me to get noticed, when I submitted my CV, and the guidance which was provided by Alan sir and Habib sir were really good. I also met a few of my colleagues through the WhatsApp group that the Alliance set up for us to interact with each other, which was also kind of helpful because we could, share the interview questions and prepare a lot. So yeah, I would say that Alliance really did help me. I was not exactly very interested in ACCA at the very beginning of, after I completed my 12th. But I would say that when I started my BCom and learned about auditing, I was actually very curious about it. I researched a lot of it, and there were basically two options which I thought, which was ACCA and CA. And ACCA, it was also something that you could take if you want to go and explore outside and meet other people, who are not just in our culture. So that is something which really helped me to choose ACCA, and also I'm still very interested in auditing. So yeah, I just want to see how EY would help me to achieve that dream. The reason why it's Elance is that I search for a lot of places, especially where it is close to my home, which is here. And there was a lot of options, definitely, but I've heard of Habib sir. I came here, met the environment of the classrooms and all, and I kind of liked it. And so I thought, why not? Because it's close to my home, the place is good, and the teachers are also seemed really supportive. And I would say they were really very supportive. Any doubts, they would clear it for us. As a professional course, ACCA with Elance can really help you to balance your life with your studies, I would say, as well as all these events and talk shows. So I would say that Elance really did help me, with this professional journey to have a happy and balanced studious journey. It's your first time in your workplace, you don't have any knowledge, and no matter how much you learn, when you come to a workplace, everything is new. So no matter if you have 4 exemptions, 9 exemptions, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I would say that there is no need to be scared of that. But from what I learned these days is that degree does have an importance when they're recruiting. It's understandable because not everyone wants to pursue ACCA after their 12th. But yeah, I mean, once you start your ACCA journey, do try to pursue your degree. I'm actually really very happy to be placed at EY, that too at this young age. Happy and proud about it. But yeah, I would really love to thank Elance for being a part of my journey and helping me pass all these papers even at the first attempt. So yeah, thank you Elance, and to all, thank you.